Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 9, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Third row and fourth row, column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column F, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fourth row, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 6. Fifth row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. Second row and first grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Third row, column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in another two cells, we will confirm later. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 6. Column I, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, these cells, 3 will come in another cells, we will confirm later. Column D, 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. Fourth grade, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 also can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 7. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 6th row and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9, it will come in another two cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 9th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, only 1 number are remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, only 1 number are remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, and 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. 6th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 4. Column F also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 8th grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 4th grade, and column D, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 7th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 7th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 10th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.